Hi everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry, and today I wanted to share with you a super fast and easy skincare routine using only 3 skincare products. Now, for many of you, you might only need to use 2 of these products, and you will have the most amazing skincare routine because one of these products has pretty much everything I look for in one serum. If you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. Also, I wanted to remind you, I post more frequently on Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram account, it's super easy to set up. I actually did not have one until this past year. I'm so behind with social media, but I post more skincare routines and just more personal things also on Instagram. So if you would like to follow me there, below this video in the description box, if you open up the description box, I will have the actual link to where you can follow me directly on Instagram. And I'll also just leave my Instagram name right here at the bottom of the video. So the very first step every single morning that I like to do is cleanse my face. Now, you might be able to get away with not even using a face cleanser in the morning. I know there are some of you who have rosacea or more dry skin, and your doctor has advised you to just splash your face with water. But for me, I have more normal to oily skin. I prefer to use a cleanser every single morning. And this is one that I absolutely love, but this is good not just for oily or normal skin. This is great for dry skin, for rosacea. This is by the brand called Vanicream. This is their gentle face cleanser. This is so amazing. It's super inexpensive. It's like maybe $8. It's free from dyes, free from fragrance, free from parabens. It feels like butter going on my skin, but then it works into a super light foam, not that stripping foam that so many cleansers have, but if it's amazing for dry skin, you know it's not going to strip that protective barrier of your skin. So this is one that I reach for if I'm just looking for a really gentle but effective face cleanser. And I love to use this morning or night. So I don't have a sink right here and I don't have proper lighting in my bathroom. I'm just sitting in front of a bright bedroom window here. So I'm just going to pull my hair up, run in the bathroom, cleanse my face with this real fast, and then I'll come right back. When I'm doing a super fast and easy skincare routine, I still want to have really good ingredients. So I look for a serum that is pretty much an all-in-one serum that has everything in it that I need. This is by the brand called Neogenesis. Now you may have heard me talk about this brand on my Instagram before because maybe about 6 months ago I started using one of their growth factor hair serums, and I could not believe how thick and how dense my hair has become after using that product. But this is their skin serum, and what this is a growth factor serum. Not only is it a growth factor serum, but it also is an antioxidant serum, and it is a peptide serum, and it's extremely hydrating. This is really good. I love this on days that my skin is more normal to dry. Now, I typically have oily skin, but I absolutely love this serum. But I would say this is best if you're looking for something a little more moisturizing, a little more hydrating, especially if you're just wanting to use a one-and-done serum and you don't want to buy 20 different products or even 4 different products. If you want just one serum that pretty much does it all, I think this is an amazing option. This is amazing if you're noticing fine lines or wrinkles. Obviously, it's not going to get rid of the wrinkles, but it will start to smooth everything out and those lines will look less noticeable because the growth factors are repairing your skin. The other thing that I love, I notice my skin feels more firm with this, but super hydrated and plump. Another thing I notice when I use growth factors, my skin texture is really, really smooth. But I absolutely love using a one-and-done serum versus me layering 20-30 different products. But this is already formulated with everything in it that I need, so I don't have to do an antioxidant serum. I don't have to do a peptide serum. I don't have to use a separate growth factor serum, and I don't need a separate hydrating serum because this has everything in it that I need. This is a thin gel-like texture. It comes out clear with a hint of like a yellowish tint to it. It soaks into my skin so beautifully, and other products will layer really well over top of this. But of course, today we're not going to be using a ton of different products. I do have a 20% off discount code at SkinBeautifulRx with this product, and it might not be in your budget. Never feel pressured to purchase products that I say work really well for my skin. I have many other affordable skincare routines, so if it's not in your budget, I will link some of those other skincare routines of some other products that work really, really well. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there are no cheap quality growth factor serums out there on the market. You might find, you know, an affordable vitamin C serum or something like that, but not a growth factor serum. In my opinion, actually not just in my opinion, in about 10 different doctors and dermatologists' opinion that I have spoken to over the past few months, they agree. If you are finding a growth factor serum and it is cheap, they say steer clear from it because it probably has not had the proper testing, and they say do not put that on your skin. This serum is actually oncology approved, and it's formulated already with all of those amazing ingredients. So a lot of times, you know, we're spending probably double or triple on all those different products when we could just use one thing and be done with it. And this is formulated properly versus us trying to play, you know, chemist and layer this product and layer that product and that product. And sometimes we could probably be canceling out some of the ingredients that we're using, and you know, our skin can only absorb so much. I'm totally guilty of layering a ton of different products, and who knows, my skin is probably like, hello, I only absorbed the first 3 and you just wasted hundreds of dollars putting the rest of the stuff on your face. So I actually like when I find one serum that has everything in it that I need. You know, even though I might spend a little bit up front, over time I am saving money, and I know that what I'm putting on my face was formulated properly with, you know, those ingredients. So I know a lot of you are going to ask me if I like this growth factor serum better than my Osmosis Stem Factor serum. I wouldn't say I like it better, but if you have more oily skin and you're just looking for a growth factor serum, then you might love the Osmosis. I love the Osmosis Stem Factor, but I prefer this on the days when my skin is feeling more normal to dry, because this is that all-in-one serum that has everything I need. But this is also great for rosacea prone skin and sensitive skin. But this is the one I've been reaching for because, you know, some days I just want to be lazy and not do a ton of different skincare steps, but I still want all those really good ingredients. And since this is a super fast and easy 2 or 3 step skincare routine, I'm not going to layer anything else on my face, but since it's my morning skincare routine, I always use a sunscreen. This is one of my absolute favorite sunscreens. This is by the brand Dermatology. I shared this in a video maybe a year and a half ago, maybe longer. And since then, I've tried quite a few of their products. I love this one on days that I want a super fast skincare routine, especially because it is a tinted moisturizer. So I don't need to use that extra step of adding moisture and then a sunscreen. And it's an SPF 46. It has 12% zinc oxide in it, and it also has 7.5% octinoxate. And octinoxate is probably the only chemical sunscreen filter that I'm able to use on my skin. But of course, I absolutely love zinc oxide. But what I really love about this is I get absolutely zero white cast because it has a super sheer tint. But even if this didn't have a tint to it, it soaks in beautifully, and on my skin tone, I have absolutely zero white cast. The other thing I absolutely love about this product, especially if I'm trying to do a super fast and easy skincare routine, is not only is it my sunscreen and my face moisturizer, but it is also anti-aging, and it has a lot of other really amazing properties in it. Niacinamide, I think, is the second or the third ingredient in this. It is super affordable. I think it might be around 20 bucks. A lot of people say this is a dupe for the Elta MD. Actually, I do think it is an exact dupe for the Elta MD. I used to use Elta MD sunscreens for years before I started using this, but I will say I like this tons better than Elta MD. So if you are looking to not only have a one and done sunscreen moisturizer with anti-aging ingredients all in one, this is absolutely amazing. This is just like the all-around perfect formula of a sunscreen that I look for, especially if I want to wear makeup, because it's not thick and heavy underneath my makeup. It kind of just acts as a beautiful softening and smoothing skin primer, so then my makeup goes on absolutely beautifully afterwards. So I usually use about 5 pumps of this. You know, with a moisturizer, I'm not going to use 5 full pumps of it, but I want to get the proper sunscreen protection. So usually about 5 pumps is enough for my face. And that is it. If you are looking for a super fast and easy skincare routine, but not just a super fast and easy skincare routine with just some basic products, this is a super fast and easy skincare routine that you could pretty much use every single day. You could even use this in the evening and of course skip the sunscreen at night, but if you just want to slap on a moisturizer, or if you want to slap on your Retin-A or your drugstore adapalene or retinol product, whatever works for you. If you've tried any of these products, leave a comment down below. I would love to know what your results are with these products, but also your feedback, whether it's good or bad. It helps other people to decide if it's a product that they might want to use for their skin. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you're not following me on Instagram, don't forget to go on over to my Instagram channel. Also, when there are like huge sales popping up, I usually will post that on Instagram because it's quicker for me to do that. So I know a lot of you are asking me to let you know when certain products come back in stock. Instagram is where I usually will post those updates. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.